Hello, I'm Ian. This is a quick video to show how to make an object fade in Blender. This is default scene in Blender. I will use the default script and make it fade out in this tutorial. Firstly, we can set the camera view. I select the default camera and then I press number pad 0 to view into camera view. Next, I want to split the viewport into two. One is for render preview. Another one, I will switch to shader editor. And then we can select an object and show the material. This is default material. If you want to change it, we can go to material properties and then we can delete it using remove material slots. And then we can add another material. So material 1 is added. Now we can change the material setting. For example, I change the base color to blue. So we can see that the cube is changed to blue color. Next, I go to shader editor. I put principled BSDF node here, and then we can press Shift A to add. I search next shader, and I press enter to choose it and put it here. Next, we can use Shift A again to add transparent BSDF node and put it here. And then I connect transparent BSDF nodes to max shader. Now we can see that this is semi-transparent. If we want to make it fully transparent, we can turn it to 1. Now I go back to 0, so we can see the solid color for the principled BSDF shader node. Now I set the keyframe, right click, and insert the keyframe. So next we can go to another frame. For example, I go to 80 and then I change better to 1 and right click and insert keyframe. Now we can go back to the first frame and play the animation so we can make the objects disappear. So this is how we can make an object fade out in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Ian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.